Alright guys, so I bought a hardtop for my e46 M3 and it doesn't have the mounts in the back right here that are supposed to hold it down. They only came on your car if you bought the hardtop from the dealership when you first bought it, and they had them installed. So if not and you want a hardtop, you have to add these guys yourself. I'm kind of pissed off because from what I'm reading, you're supposed to have two of these exact basically on each side, but when I ordered them they sent me this for the left, but the right side is only that piece right there, the metal piece, the adapter to lock it down. So I'm pretty sure I need the electrical for the defrost or something on that side. I'll figure that out. Anyways, what you gotta do, as you can see, is remove the interior panel. You start off with the bottom part that goes across. There's two, I believe they're 8mm bolts. Undo those bolts and then pull from right there and you'll pop the clip out. After you pull that out, right 1, 2, and 3, you'll have a 7mm bolt. Take out those 3 7mm bolts and then you can, and also up top there's a little plastic clip. Take out those and you can pull this right off. And then you just gotta put your mount inside there, and then you plug into the second plug, which is right there. Once you have that all done, you can put it back together and you're done.